Now, Kumari Salja.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on this momentous occasion. Sir, I wish to first place on record my sincere appreciation and gratitude to all those men and women
Then,
who were part of the Constituent Assembly and to those who weren't, but yet played a vital role in creating one of the finest documents in human history. Sir, we are celebrating 125 years, 125th birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was undoubtedly the greatest champion of this entire exercise. And sir, it was a great sense of honor for the Congress party when he placed on record the role of the Congress party on this historic occasion. Sir, some mentions have been made about Baba Saheb's election from Pune. Sir, here also I would like to place on record that it was Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi, who suggested that Baba Saheb should be elected from Pune. And that was the reason that Congress party decided that Baba Saheb should come to the assembly from Pune. It was Gandhiji and none other who decided on this. And sir, it was also Gandhiji, Nehruji, and our other leaders, senior leaders, who decided that because of his abilities, Baba Saheb Ambedkar should be made the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. So no doubt he was best suited for this work, for this job, because in his own right, he was a legal expert, he was an economist, he was the one who was found that at that point in the history of our nation, who would be able to deliver justice to the millions in this country who are craving for freedom, not only from the British rule, but from the shackles of the past of the society. So we need to cherish and take pride, not just on one day, but every day, in the unique and fine constitution that we have bestowed ourselves with. If you look at history, constitutions were meant to be the supreme legal document, and hence the thinking was that such a document was to be rigid and firm. But our founding fathers took the courage to think otherwise. Allow me to quote Panditji, who had commented that if you make anything rigid and permanent, you stop a nation's growth, the growth of a living, vital, organic people, unquote. And they ensured that our Constitution achieved a fine balance between rigidity and flexibility. Similarly, though we were an ancient civilization, our founding fathers did not hesitate to learn from the best practices of other nations. With all humility, they studied and identified from several constitutions across the world. And what they did is what we have witnessed throughout our history. That is, India's openness to welcome and shelter different cultures and practices. And it is this immense diversity and plurality which ensures that moderation wins over extremism. And I have no hesitation in saying that today more than ever, there's a pressing need to learn from the openness and tolerance which was displayed by our founding fathers. Chairman, sir, it is true that the drafting of the Indian Constitution took place under extremely challenging circumstances. Yet, we were able to produce a remarkable constitution based on the idea of equality and equity. These days, some on that side of the House even question the legitimacy of Rajya Sabha. Since they wish to discuss the Constitution, let me remind them, the people who drafted the Constitution were people who were elected by the state legislatures. And yet, even in those days, some questioned the legitimacy of the Constituent Assembly. And if there was one party which had unwavering faith and commitment in that august House, it was the Congress Party. 82% of the members of the Assembly were congressmen and women. Sir, आज एक होड़ सी लग गई, आज एक होड़ सी लग गई है कि बाबा साहेब का नाम कितनी बार लिया जाए। इन 2-3 दिनों में जितनी बार बाबा साहेब का नाम हमने सुना, शायद इतनी बार कभी भी नहीं लिया गया। अच्छा हो कि जब भी जो भी वक्ता बोलें, हमें और ज़्यादा सुनने को मिले। ट्रेजरी बेंचेस से मंत्री बोलें या दूसरे वक्ता बोलें और डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब का नाम अपनी स्पीच में लें या उनके शब्दों को कोट करें, तो ज़्यादा अच्छा हो, ना कि केवल इन 2 दिनों में उनका नाम लिया जाए। Chairman, sir, another very interesting feature in the entire process of framing our Constitution was the objective resolution moved by Pandit Ji on December 13th, 1946. I would like to remind our honorable members that this resolution was moved much before the partition of India. But if you read line 5 and 6, and here I crave the indulgence of this House to allow me to quote these. 5, wherein shall be guaranteed and secured to all the people of India justice, social, economic, and political, equality of status of opportunity and before the law, freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship, vocation, association, and action, subject to law and public morality. And 6, wherein adequate safeguards shall be provided for minorities, backward and tribal areas, and depressed and other backward classes, unquote. So what does this show? That Congress Party's commitment to secularism and inclusive growth predates the partition. Today, some think these are bad words. We are mocked at for being called secular. But let there be no doubt that today India is a strong and stable democracy simply because of our Constitution's unshakable faith in pluralism. And no attempt must ever be made to dilute this. Chairman, sir, today, as a representative of the Dalit community, I would like to remind the honorable members the importance of the Constitution for a section of society who have been oppressed for ages. For them, Dr. Ambedkar and the Constitution came as a harbinger of hope. The Indian state for the first time departed from the norms and traditions of caste system in favor of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. And this was largely due to the untiring efforts of Baba Saheb. It is unfortunate that these principles are yet to be implemented in totality. Sir, आज 68 साल हो गए हैं आज़ादी के बाद। हम बात करते हैं इक्वालिटी की, हम बात करते हैं आज एक और मुद्दा आ गया है, आरक्षण का। क्या कारण है कि आज आरक्षण का मुद्दा आया है? क्या इस पार्लियामेंट ने, क्या इस देश ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आरक्षण को हमने नहीं माना? रूलिंग पार्टी के कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, उनके हेड हैं, उनके नेता हैं, लीडर हैं, जो आज आरक्षण के ऊपर सवालिया निशान लगाना चाहते हैं। लेकिन इन्हें जवाब मिल गया, इन्हें जवाब मिल गया बिहार में, इन्हें जवाब मिल गया, आगे भी मिलता जाएगा जहां जहां ये बात करेंगे। इन्हें एक बार नहीं, बार बार मध्य प्रदेश में मिला है और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि गुजरात में भी मिलेगा, गुजरात में भी इन्हें मिल जाएगा। सर, क्या आरक्षण आज के दिन एक बुरा शब्द बन गया है? क्या कारण? हम बात करते हैं, जब यहाँ पर बात करते हैं या दूसरे फोरम में बात करते हैं, हम दिखाते हैं, सब लोग दिखाते हैं, हर वर्ग के लोग दिखाते हैं कि वो कितने पक्षधर हैं, गरीब लोगों के, दलित वर्ग के। और अगर इतने पक्षधर होते तो क्या कारण था कि आज के दिन भी हम इन बातों पर चर्चा करते हैं? कहीं ना कहीं, किसी ना किसी तरह से सबको अपने दिल पर हाथ रखकर कहना होगा, अपने आप से पूछना होगा कि क्या जिस स्पिरिट से ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, हमारा संविधान हमने अपने आप को दिया, जिस स्पिरिट से ये लिखा गया, क्या हमने उसे लागू किया है? क्या उसे हमने लेटर एंड स्पिरिट में लागू किया है? लेटर में किया होगा, क्या स्पिरिट में लागू किया है? अगर वो किया होता तो जो आज ट्रेजरी, जो रूलिंग पार्टी है, इनके लोगों को ये सवालिया निशान उठाने की ज़रूरत ना होती। इन्होंने भी उस बात को माना होता, समझा होता। क्या केवल ये लिप सर्विस है? क्या हम जब डिप्रेस्ड लोगों की, दलित लोगों की बात करते हैं, उनके बारे में बात करते हैं, केवल लिप सर्विस, सही मायने में नहीं, दिल से नहीं? सर, हमारे बुजुर्गों के वक्त से, बाबा साहेब के वक्त से और आज के वक्त में फ़र्क पड़ा है। हम ऐसा नहीं कहते हैं कि फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा है, ज़मीन पर कुछ फ़र्क पड़ा है, लेकिन क्या दिलों में फ़र्क पड़ा है? जो 5000 साल की व्यवस्था थी, क्या वो आज बदल गई? मुझे नहीं लगता वो बदली, और मुझे ये भी नहीं लगता कि वो अगले 5000 साल में बदलेगी। जब हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, क्या हम इज्जत से बात करते हैं? ये तू और आप शब्द किस लिए होता है? पहले आंका जाता है कि ये कपड़े कैसे पहनता है, इसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, वो हम उसको तू कह के बोलेंगे, आप कह के बोलेंगे। आज हमारे जैसे कुछ लोग बाबा साहेब के कारण, हमारे संविधान के कारण यहाँ तक पहुँचे। हम ऐसे टस्सर के कपड़े पहनने लगे हैं, हमारे बच्चे आगे बढ़े हैं, आईएएस में आए हैं, साइंटिस्ट बनते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोगों को क्या उससे ईर्ष्या नहीं होती है? आज आरक्षण के नाम पर न जाने किस तरह के अपनी भावनाओं को लोग बाहर निकालते हैं कि इन्हें तो सब कुछ मिल गया है। क्या 5000 साल की जो हमारे साथ ज्यादती हुई, जो छुआछूत हुई, क्या वो सच्चे मायने में मिट चुकी है? जो हमारे फाउंडिंग फादर्स ने सोचा था, क्या वो सच्चे मायने में लागू हो चुका है? मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देना चाहूँगी सर। इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कारण, हमारे फाउंडिंग फादर्स के कारण आज हम यहाँ पहुँचे। मैंने कहा मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ। कुछ समय पहले जब हमारी सरकार थी, यूपीए की सरकार, उसमें मैं मंत्री थी और मैं गुजरात गई। हिंदू हूँ, दलित हूँ, पर हिंदू हूँ। मंदिर जाने का हमारा भी मन करता है, मैं भी गई, द्वारका गए। मेरी भी इच्छा हुई कि मैं द्वारका मंदिर जाऊं। सबको पता था कि मैं मंत्री हूं, लेकिन देश भर में बहुत मंदिरों में गई हूं, साउथ में भी, नॉर्थ में भी, लेकिन गुजरात मॉडल का एक ये भी हिस्सा देखिए, एक ये भी उसका दृश्य देखिए कि द्वारका मंदिर में पूरे देश में कहीं नहीं, सैकड़ों मंदिरों में मैं गई हूँ। मैं ये नहीं कहती कि सारे मंदिर बराबर हैं या हर जगह हमारे मेरे भाई या बहनों को वहाँ पर इज्जत मिलती है, नहीं मिलती सब जगह, लेकिन मुझे बतौर मंत्री, बतौर कैबिनेट मंत्री इस देश का, द्वारका के मंदिर में मुझसे पूछा गया कि आपकी जात क्या है। मुझसे पूछा गया, आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए, मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ इस पटल पर।
क्या बोल रहे हैं? What is the problem? What is your problem?
आपको क्या तकलीफ हो रही है? ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता।
क्या हो गया?
मैंने किसने पूछा? किसने पूछा है? एक बताइए सर। सर, मैंने ऐसी गलत बात
सर,
दलित महिला को यहाँ भी नहीं
क्या बोल रहे? Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You sit down. No. Okay. Sit down. Now, please, listen. Now, please. You sit down. Sit down. Are you yielding? Sit down.
सर अगर
Sit down. Arey, seal him, please. No, you sit down. Your minister is here. What do you want? Your minister is here.
सर मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूंगा, ये उनकी पीड़ा है, मैं समझता हूँ। द्वारिका मैं भी गया हूँ, कभी मुझसे मेरी जात नहीं पूछी गई। मैं वहाँ 2-3 बार गया हूँ, द्वारिका में नहीं पूछी गई। द्वारिका टेम्पल उसको लेकर गुजरात को ब्लेम करना ठीक नहीं है। मैं उनकी पीड़ा समझता हूँ, ये उचित नहीं है। अगर ऐसा वहाँ हुआ है तो उनको कंप्लेन करना चाहिए था। लेकिन मैं इतना मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट कहता हूँ, मैं द्वारिका मंदिर में कई बार गया हूँ, मुझसे मेरी जात नहीं पूछी गई।
No, you allow her to speak. Please allow her to continue. Now, please allow her to continue. Sit down. What are you doing to say? You allow her to continue. Please. Arey, what are you talking? You sit down. It is for me to decide. You sit down. What do you want? You sit down. It is for me to decide. Sheelam, sit down. Please, sister, you sit down. Allow her to continue. No point of order. I am not agreeing. What do you want point of order? No.
ये सामान्य परंपरा है।
No, one second.
कोई बात कहता है तो उसकी बात को न विश्वास करने का कोई कारण नहीं है। और अगर वो अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस पे एक सदस्य सदन
Who are shouting? Both sides are shouting. You people are also shouting.
Yes.
Mr. Tiwari, sit down. See, I find both sides shouting. You are also shouting. So you keep quiet. Let her to continue her speech.
I want your ruling on this.
What ruling?
सर, अभी प्रसाद जी ने, हमारे मंत्री दोस्त हैं, इन्होंने कहा कि मैं जब जाता हूं मुझे कोई रोकता नहीं या रोका नहीं, ये रोका नहीं। और दूसरी तरफ से हमारी महिला जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर के रूप में इनको रोका, और यदि अगर इनको
रोका नहीं
इनकी जात पूछी गई, अगर इनकी जात पूछी गई तो ये और भी आपत्तिजनक है कि इनकी जात क्यों नहीं पूछी, उनकी क्यों नहीं पूछी, ये और भी आपत्तिजनक।
No, see, no need of, no, sit down. sit down. No, see, no need of, see, no, sit down, no need of this controversy. She narrated what she want to say according to her experience. No, according to her, I am not to decide on whether this way or that way. An honorable minister has said his experience. Both are on record, that is enough. Proceed.
Sir,
Both are on record, that's
Sir,
enough. Proceed.
sir, two
No, sit
things.
down.
sir.
No, please. Sit down. What do you want? What do you want? No, your minister spoke. Why point of order? Okay. All right, point of order. Let me listen. Okay.
पार्लियामेंट से कई मेंबर अपनी कमेटी के रूप में और भी दर्शन के लिए द्वारका गए होंगे।
So ये
कभी
point of
किसी
order है
को
क्या?
जात पूछी गई है
What is
तो
it?
इसको पूछा गया हो।
No, please.
Sir,
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर कि ये मेंबर सभी मेंबर पार्लियामेंट के भी कई मेंबर द्वारका दर्शन के
Sir,
लिए
ये
गए
point of order है
हैं। कभी
क्या?
किसी को कोई भी बार कभी किसी की जात पूछी गई है उसका उत्तर नहीं है तो क्या इसको शैलजा जी को कैसे पूछा जाए इसलिए ऐसा गलत बात छोड़ के सर
See, you see, now listen please. See, now the convention of this house is that if any honorable member makes a statement, especially personal, that will be taken at the face value. But however, no member is suspected to mislead the house. If you think a member has misled the house, there are provisions in the rule, you can invoke that. Now next,
Sir.
proceed.
Sir, kindly.
Okay, you continue.
No, sir. Sir, they have raised a question mark on my integrity.
No, I already gave the ruling.
No, sir. No, sir.
I have given the ruling.
No, sir.
I have given the ruling.
Sir, no. Sir, two things.
No, I gave
Yes.
the ruling. It is to be taken at
No,
the face
sir.
value. I said.
No, sir.
I already said.
No.
But
This is-
at the same time, if any member disproves it, there are rule provision. He can do that. No problem.
Sir, he cannot question me like this. He cannot question me like this.
No, that is his
I
view.
refuse to
That
be
is his view.
subjected to this
That
here.
is his view. Yes. That is, he disagrees with you. He said that. That's all.
Sir,
शैलजा जी आपकी इंटीग्रिटी पे
Sir,
किसी ने शक
sir,
नहीं
this
किया।
is defamation.
जहाँ तक प्रश्न है आपने जिस खुलासे को किया है
Sir, this
उस
is
खुलासे को आपने
defamation
मंत्री रहते
in
नहीं
the
किया।
house.
अभी आपने इतने वर्षों
Sir,
के
this
बाद
is
आपने
defamation
खुलासा
on the
करने की
floor
क्या
of the
आवश्यकता
house.
थी?
No, Sarjaji.
हम माननीय
No, you
This
please
is
understand.
questioning my honor.
इसमें आपकी
No, I'll tell you.
सवाल नहीं किया है
See, you made a statement. If any member feels that it is
No,
wrong,
sir.
he can say that. That doesn't mean that what you
Sir.
said is wrong. That is only his view.
No, sir.
That will be, that's all.
Sir, I'm on
And
a different point.
then the,
I
see,
am on a
there
different
is
point.
Rule has,
I am on
in
a
the book
different
there is
point,
provision
sir.
for that.
I am on a different
So
point.
what can I do?
Sir,
What can I do
kindly
if somebody
listen to-
thinks what you said
I
is
need
wrong?
your
What can I
protection.
do? I cannot do anything. Nothing.
I need your
It always
protection.
happens.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, my integrity, my honor.
That is not question. He
Sir,
only said
that
he did
has
not have
been
that
questioned.
experience.
That has been questioned.
No.
You are.
Don't read
you
too
are
much.
Explaining to him.
Sarjaji, don't
No,
read
no,
too
sir.
much.
No,
Minister
sir.
only said he did not have that
sir.
experience. That is
No,
all he
sir.
said.
Sir,
Nobody said you are
Sir.
telling a lie. Did anybody say?
sir, that is what they have said.
Who said?
They are questioning me.
No. Let me understand. Arey Baba,
They
you
are
sit down. I am
questioning
talking
me.
to her.
No,
What are
sir.
these people doing?
No, sir.
I am talking. Then you people do.
Sir,
Okay.
by your-
Now do what you want.
Sir,
Well, let me talk to her. Let me understand. At least allow me to understand. I am asking you, did anybody say that you are telling a lie? In that case, I am ready to explain it.
yes, sir.
Did anybody say?
Yes.
You
They
sit
have
down.
questioned
I am
that.
talking to her. Yeah, it is said. Check up the record. I will see. If the record is there, if anybody said you are telling a lie,
ऐसे कैसे?
that will be a sin.
क्या बात
I have no problem reprimanding him. But
No.
otherwise, any member has a right to disagree
No,
with
I'm
you.
not going to listen.
If you said your experience, another member has a right to express his opinion.
Sir, I have not even
That is
yielded.
all.
I have not
Okay,
even
Minister-
yielded, sir.
Devi Shankar Prasad.
Sir, how is he expressing his...
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Sir, he cannot give his experience. This is in a context. The context
I
is
know,
what
I
have
said, I will go through the record.
No,
If-
sir. No, sir.
Then
Sir,
what-
you have given, excuse me, sir, with all humility and with respect to you. Sir, there is a context. I have said something. I have expressing my experience. They stand up, they refute what I've said as if what I am telling is an untruth. That is why they are saying this. They are not just making a speech. If they were making a
No,
speech,
that's what I
you
said.
can no, sir. Sir, you can grant them that if they were saying this in their speech, but not when they silence me. I am subjected to this humiliation on the floor of this house.
No, did he say
Sir,
that you are telling
sir,
a lie? Then only there is humiliation. I will go through the record.
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
No, if
Sir,
any,
this is-
see, if
this
any
is
member says
intolerable.
you are telling a lie,
Yes,
then
yes.
there is humiliation. I will go through the record. If that is not said,
Sir, this is
there is
not-
nothing to be.
Sir, this
Please.
is cleverness. This is cleverness, sir. At the risk of repeating, with all humility, I say, I am expressing something that I have gone through, as if that humiliation was not enough. I am being subjected to humiliation on the floor of the
No. That is, see, that
Yes,
is not,
sir.
I don't agree with that. It is a duty, see,
Sir,
it
you
is a
may not
duty of the
agree.
chair. No, listen, it is a duty of the chair.
No, sir.
No, let me complete, I will allow you. See, it is the duty of the chair to protect every individual, every member of this house. If any member has questioned the integrity of Honorable
That has been
Shaljaji,
questioned.
or if any member has said, no, if any member has said that she is telling a lie, then of course, no, of course.
Sir, that word is
No, let me
unparliamentary.
complete, let me complete.
That word is
Let me complete.
unparliamentary. What is this?
Otherwise,
No, sir.
disagreeing with her is not
This
a power.
cannot end like
That
this.
is no humility.
I will not allow it to end like this.
Humiliated. What is wrong if they can say sorry for that?
No, that's a different.
What's
That's,
the
see, the point is, no.
उन्होंने कहा कि इन्होंने
No, sir.
हाउस को
Sir,
मिसलेट किया है
गुलाम नबी जी।
इतनी बात है, झूठ बोलना
No,
और
no,
mislead
गुलाम
करना
नबी-
फर्क है
गुलाम नबी जी।
Sir, I will not accept this.
गुजरात के ऑनरेबल मेंबर ने कहा
I will not accept this.
That is, Gulam Nabi ji, that is what I am
Sir,
saying.
is this?
See, don't take it, don't
I-
press it to this much.
Sir.
I am saying, I'm sorry, let me understand. The point is very simple. If any member has questioned your integrity, or if any member
There
has
is no
told-
if.
let
There
me-
is no if.
Okay.
Sir, this is
All
no
right.
if.
All right.
Sir, is
All right.
this? Is
Why
this
don't you allow me
how
to
they
complete?
pay their tribute to Baba Sahib?
What is this?
Is this what they do?
See,
Shaljaji.
Shaljaji,
Sir.
will you listen to me? No,
No, sir.
Are you ready? Will you sit down now 1 minute? Now listen. No, I want to make it very clear. See, don't stretch these things. But however, I am saying, if any member has questioned her integrity, if any member said that she is telling a lie, then I agree she is humiliated, she needs my protection. That's why I said I will go through the record. No, that's why I said
No, sir.
I will go through the record.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Now let me say, that's why I said I will go through the record. Simply because somebody disagreed with her, I cannot say
Sir,
that
no.
it is a question
No,
of
sir.
integrity.
No, sir, not at all.
Then
This
what do
is
you want?
not the right interpretation.
Then what do you want?
I am not satisfied.
Why, you are not, I have to
Not
go
at
through the
all.
record and then
Sir,
only I can
sir,
decide.
no, sir. No, sir.
I said I will go through the record, then I will decide.
Sir, no. This is not the way.
Then what do you want?
Sir, this is not the way.
Then what do you want?
I am speaking. I am narrating something.
So what?
They may have an objection.
That happens always here.
No, sir. Sir,
That-
please.
so many people stand up and say, it's all over going on record.
Sir, this is something personal.
When you
I am not-
speak out,
no,
some
sir.
people do that.
No, sir. No, sir.
That you don't, everybody does that.
What everybody, sir?
How can you say that?
No.
It is happening every day.
No, sir.
Every day.
Yeah.
My point
How can
is, ma'am, if anybody specifically taken her name and said something.
What is this? You were not even here.
I am asking the chair, na, madam. Why are you?
Taken a name.
Why are you trying to this thing? please try to understand, if the chair has rightly observed, if somebody has said something objectionable or offensive against an individual member, the chair is at liberty to remove it from the records. I can assure you as Parliamentary Affairs Minister, we will take care of the members if anybody has said so, which is not the case. Sir, at the same time, members have been in this house. From time to time, they will be standing. In morning also have seen.
Please
earlier also
do
have
not
seen.
trivialize the
You
issue.
have been experiencing it also.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day I am
experiencing
experiencing it.
So question of trivializing.
No, sir. No.
Everything happening is trivializing. Why are
No,
you?
no, 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 no.
That is not be
Not at all.
uncharitable.
I cannot
Say
accept
something.
this.
Let Ghulam Nabi ji say something. We'll go with it.
Let's not go into this who is right and who is wrong. On earlier occasions, there have been instances when honorable ministers, honorable members have got up and have said that if I have heard the feelings of an individual member of the House, I'm sorry for that. So what is the problem if the honorable member who has made an objection to his saying can say, yes, sorry? What is
Yes, sir, I totally agree with you. If somebody has made Ghulam Nabi ji, leader of the opposition, if somebody has made an objectionable thing,
Arey,
yes,
इनका पूछो,
they have to
पूछिए, क्या है?
correct themselves.
Why
Point
did these
is,
people
nobody
are
has said it.
called?
On the other hand, Gujarat people are feeling that Gujarat is being
What did she say?
Gujarat is being defamed. That's the feeling among the members. You ask him. Let us go the record.
Allow nahi kiya. How can he say that? Was he there? Yes.
Yes, उन्होंने कहा है ये गलत है. क्या मतलब है?
Was the honorable member present there?
You will say something. मैं यहाँ से कहता हूँ सही नहीं है.
आप थे ही नहीं यहाँ पर.
ये आपका अपमान है क्या?
आप यहाँ पर थे ही नहीं.
We disagree. We agree
Sir,
to disagree also.
sir, I cannot yield to the
Trying
minister.
to make an issue out of
I will
this.
not yield to the
What
minister.
I am asking is,
ये भी
I was not even present
I
here.
said,
What is he
no,
saying?
what I am asking,
अनुभव आया
no,
नहीं.
Honorable Minister, please. What
He
I
was
am
not
asking-
even present
What
here.
I am asking is, I said, I will go through the record. If there is any objectionable, if your integrity is questioned, or if they have said that you are telling lie, I will protect you and I will take proper action. I will explain and also I can ask him whatever action is to be taken, I will decide. What more you want? I don't know.
No, no.
What else should be done? I have to go through the record.
Sir.
Okay, Minister. Okay. Now, after,
सर ये
after,
क्या
because
बोले
time-
जा रहे हैं? कभी कोई मंत्री खड़ा हो जाता है, कभी कोई
Time
मंत्री
extension.
खड़ा हो जाता है.
Time extension.
अदर इशू सर
ये क्या कर रहे हैं मंत्री लोग?
सर प्लीज 6 बज गया है और क्योंकि अभी कई ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स जो है वो बोलने
थोड़ा
के लिए रह
extension
गए
करेंगे?
हैं. हमारी रिक्वेस्ट है कि इसको कम से कम 1 घंटे और बढ़ाया जाए ताकि जो है वो कुछ ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स जो है जो रह गए हैं वो उसको बोल सकें.
Yeah.
अगर
See,
House
I
की
want,
सहमति.
yes, I want to share with the House that listen, from the others category, there are 8 more speakers. That means 8 into 10. Now please, listen to, what do you want? Listen to me. 8 more speakers. Please listen to me. That means 8 into 10, 80 minutes. Then Congress has got Baki 50 minutes. That means 80, 50, more than 2 hours. Listen, more than, there are,
You are counting half an hour disturbed because of this.
Arey Baba, what, you don't understand and you speak. What happened to you?
I'm saying, sir,
You sit down. See, Congress has got 50 minutes. So 8 plus 50, 130. Then there are others also speak. That means tomorrow, if, 11 a.m. if you start, 11, 12, 1, 2 hours, 2, and if the reply is to be at 2 p.m., there is no time. So it is advisable that we may sit at least 1 more hour and finish as much as possible. Now LOP, what is your view?
hour, sir.
Okay, agree.
1 hour, okay.
One, yes, extended 1 more hour. You
And
agree?
tomorrow also. Tomorrow at least 3 hours.
Okay. If the house tomorrow, if the house want to do away with the lunch, I have no problem.
Because it is
Yeah.
seat tomorrow.
So continue. Shalja, you please continue your discussion, not finish. Shalja, please start the discussion. You continue it.
After what Shalja ji had said and what was said from the other side, much time of the House has gone. that time should not be attributed to the Congress team.
No, that is okay. All right. That is agreed to. That is agreed to. Okay. Yeah.
Sir. Sir. Sir, what is... Sir, अभी जो हुआ है उसके कई पहलू हैं। नंबर 1, जो मैंने कहा मैं अपनी बात कह रही थी कि मैं गुजरात गई और मैं द्वारका मेन द्वारका नहीं, जो आइलैंड है यस जो आइलैंड पर है, पुराना वाला लॉर्ड कृष्णा का, वहां पर, ये वहां की बात है। और ये हुआ जो मैंने कहा, मैं वहां पर गई दर्शन के लिए और वहां मुझसे पूछा गया, एक प्रीस्ट ने मुझसे पूछा, एक पुजारी ने मुझसे पूछा कि आपकी जात क्या है। ये गुजरात मॉडल है, वहां के मंदिरों का हाल है। अगर इस बात से आपको ऑब्जेक्शन हुई होती तो मुझे खुशी होती, लेकिन आपको इस बात से दुख नहीं हुआ और मुझे इस बात से बहुत आघात पहुंचा है कि जो मैंने कहा, अपना अनुभव वहां पर बताया, आप मेरी ही बात को क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं। You are questioning my integrity as if what I am saying is not the truth and you know better. आप वहां पर मौजूद थे। मंत्री जी, आप भी मंत्री हैं। You are very fortunate. So all the mantris want to interrupt me. Okay, leader of the house. Sir.
No, I am just saying, it's a very serious matter that a minister of the central government can be treated in this manner. So as a minister, would you let us know what you did thereafter? Did you write to the chief minister? Did you write to the prime minister? Did you raise it in the cabinet? Or you decided that this injustice should be swallowed and I should just sleep over it and ignore it?
Sir, I choose not to answer that.
When no answers are given, then no answers could have been given.
Sir, नंबर 2, एक के बाद एक मंत्री होकर खड़े हो रहे हैं और इस तरह की बात कर रहे हैं, ये भी एक ह्यूमिलिएशन है और ये इनकी दोहरी चाल की जीती जागती मिसाल है ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस। जो हम लेटर और स्पिरिट की बात करते हैं, आज 2 दिन के लिए बाबा साहब का नाम जरूर लिया जा रहा है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या आपके मन में यह एक्सेप्टेंस है? अगर आपके मन में एक्सेप्टेंस होती तो आप यहां खड़े होकर ना कोई सदस्य रूलिंग पार्टी का, ये जिज्ञासा जो लीडर ऑफ द हाउस के मन में जागी है आज के दिन, जब मैंने बात कही, किसी और मेंबर के मन में तो नहीं जागी। उन्होंने तो मुझसे क्वेश्चन नहीं किया। क्या गुजरात के नाम पर और द्वारका के नाम पर, और आज जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर डिस्कशन हो रही है, बाबा साहेब के नाम पर डिस्कशन हो रही है, तो इतने डिफेंसिव पर क्यों आ रहे हैं? और माननीय लीडर ऑफ द हाउस बहुत काबिल वकील हैं, तर्क में इनका कोई जवाब नहीं है, ये भी टेढ़े सीधे रास्ते से मुझसे ही सवाल कर रहे हैं। ये दुख की बात है, इससे भी मुझे आघात पहुंच रहा है। क्या इतने साल बाद, दशकों बाद, जब आज ये डिस्कशन हो रही है, एक मेंबर अपनी बात बता रहा है, तो आप उसको उस पर सवाल करते हैं? And I am being subjected to further humiliation on this subject. अगर इस तरह की बात कहीं हुई है तो इनको उसकी निंदा करनी चाहिए, ना कि मेरी निंदा। ये आपका माइंडसेट दिखा रहा है। ये 2 दिन की डिस्कशन आज आपने यहां पर राख कर दी, साबित कर दिया है कि जो ये डिस्कशन आपने बुलाया इसका सही मायने क्या था। केवल पॉलिटिकल पॉइंट स्कोर करना आपका मकसद है। Sir, if I'm going to be heckled like this,
You speak. Don't listen to that. You speak what you have to speak. No, please.
सर एट्रॉसिटीज खत्म नहीं हुई हैं, कहने की बातें हैं। अभी हाल ही में मेरी अपनी स्टेट में, हरियाणा में 2 बच्चे जिंदा जला दिए गए। उस पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया हुई? उसके 2 दिन बाद गोहाना में एक बच्चा, 14-15 साल का बच्चा, उसको पुलिस उठाकर ले गई और उसको बुरी तरह से टॉर्चर किया गया और उसकी डेड बॉडी को फेंक गए। इतनी बुरी तरह से टॉर्चर हुआ। और अभी परसों, यही मिसाल है इनके मंत्रियों की दे रही हूं सर मैं, सिर्फ यहां नहीं है, स्टेट्स में भी यही हाल। इनके एक मंत्री एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में गए, मीटिंग बुला रखी है, वहां पर वहां की एसपी, वो भी दुर्भाग्य की बात है, महिला थी, दलित थी, वो मीटिंग में बैठी थी वर्दी में, पढ़ लिख कर, गरीब घर से। उसके पिता वहीं पर उसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, उन्हीं कोर्ट्स में, उन्हीं दफ्तरों में पेंटर का काम करते थे। वो लड़की पढ़ लिख कर आईपीएस बनी, उसकी नियुक्ति वहां हुई। एसपी वहां पर बैठी है, मौजूद है, और उसको इन्हीं के मंत्री ने ह्यूमिलिएट किया। सो ये तो इनकी आदत है। मुझे बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है। और अगर आज ये जो आज यहाँ पर घटना घटी, ये नहीं घटा होता, ये घटना नहीं घटी होती, तो आप उस बात को भी झुठला देते। ये भी सच्चाई है, हकीकत है, और वो भी हकीकत। सर, ये एक माइंडसेट है। मैं ये नहीं कहती कि पहले कभी एट्रॉसिटीज नहीं हुई, हमारे वक्त में भी हुई, कब नहीं हुई, और आगे भी होंगी। लेकिन ये मुखौटा मत पहने, दोगली बात मत कीजिए। ये आज आप लोगों ने एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट किया है। क्या कारण है? क्या कारण है कि जब माइनॉरिटीज की बात हो, माइनॉरिटीज के शोषण की बात हो, एट्रॉसिटीज की बात हो, दलितों के एट्रॉसिटीज की बात हो, तभी इनके नेताओं को डॉग्स की, कुत्तों की एनालॉजी याद आती है। केवल माइनॉरिटीज के और दलितों के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ही तभी डॉग्स याद आ जाते हैं। क्या कारण है? ये एनवायरनमेंट इन्होंने क्रिएट की, ये इनकी सोच ने क्रिएट की है. सिंपली पेइंग लिप सर्विस टू डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर is not going to serve any purpose, not to you. It is not going to bring any glory, not to you, not to this parliament, and not to this nation. Sir, सच्चे मायने में ये डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब के अगर अनुयायी बनना चाहते हैं, आज याद करना चाहते हैं, कभी इन्होंने पहले याद नहीं किया. Now they want to appropriate his legacy. They have nothing of their own. अब उनको याद करने के लिए और पॉलिटिकल टैक्टिक्स का इस्तेमाल करने के लिए स्पेशल सेशन बुलाते, बात करते, बताते, देश को दिखाते. These are only political tactics. 2 दिन का डिस्कशन करना, ना बाबा साहेब को याद करना है, ना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एफर्मेशन करनी है. ये इनका असली चेहरा है. थैंक यू सर.
Okay, thank you.